Hi, I want you to think about the patients that are treated with heroin or morphine. Do you know how many of them have become dependent to these substances after treatment?
According to the National Institute of Drug Abuse, about 5% of the patients who are given morphine to relieve chronic pain have misused these substances, and about 80% after finishing their treatment remain using heroin.
We have an alternative for this. For the past few years, cannabis has been used for medical purposes, which has been a topic of discussion since it has tons of natural healing benefits for patients. But still, there are taboos and people are not completely convinced of its healing characteristics.
We have studied the market in Colombia and we came to the conclusion that there are perfect conditions to cultivate the plant. Besides, it is one of the countries where the cost of production is relatively low in comparison with the Netherlands, Peru, Canada, or Bolivia, which are the top countries in the market.
By the end of this speech, our main goal is to bring an alternative to treat chronic pain in patients and at health institutions or at the comfort of their homes. Keeping this in mind, with the business, we'll be promoting full productive employment in Colombia because we will be a 100% based Colombian company, not like other existing companies in the country, which most of them are American.
In addition, we want to attract people that have informal jobs and were affected by forced displacement due to illegal groups. Besides Decree 811 of 2021 and the Resolution 227 of 2022, we're looking to be pioneers in the growth of cannabis industry by exporting in the near future, whilst generating new opportunities in the economy of the country.
We have an estimated initial investment of $1.8 million that will be distributed on land, workforce adaptations, governmental licenses, technology development, and raw materials. We expect to recover on the first year the 50% of our initial investment and continue growing exponentially in the next years until we reach a net profit. This business is sustainable because the waste of raw materials is minimum, and furthermore, the industry is growing as time goes by.
Epsilon is a creative, effective, and reliable group when team working. We share ideas and complement each other until we reach perfection. As Edmund Calmuth says in a Harvard case, if you give a mediocre team a good idea, they will run it. But if you give a mediocre idea to a good team, they will make it work.
We hope you trust us, Epsilon!